Nicey nice. By the way, we're going to start taking roll call at the aftermarket because I am not seeing everybody over there. I'm watching the count. I don't know where you people are. I'm watching you. I'm watching you.
Uh-oh.
Panel members.
Night.
Panel members. Yeah, I want to see that full. I want that panel board full every night. Full.
Dawn wouldn't let me on last night.
Yeah.
Did you piss her off?
Coach, I'm to blame. I think we've had a couple of earnings nights where the people wanted to listen to the earnings calls. It should not be every night. So
yeah, no worries. If it runs long, just kill it.
It was just Apple, right?
I got you.
Kind of a big event.
I got you. Speaking of Apple, look at this double top. Can you guys see it right here on my screen? All right. We should be live on everything. Oh, crap. Hold on. My
double top.
That's a textbook double top.
Yep.
Then get your shit right and you can get on the panel.
I know, I'm just busting you.
You know what I was going to say, Don? All it requires, you guys throw that $20 in that tip jar. You get on that panel real quick.
Right.
Real quick and in a hurry. She's got a little sound that goes off. Yeah, a little sound goes off. Brr, brr.
There's a different sound for the ones that tip.
That's right. Oh, real quick. Speaking of tips, so you guys can make ass loads of money so you can tip that jar tonight. Look at SGBX. SGBX right now. SGBX. Tons of volume going in here right now. Float is 586K, Nate.
Yeah, I was going to call it, but I thought it would turn before I said anything.
Well, it's okay. I mean, see this double top at 458? It's so close. Everybody see it?
Yeah.
Watch this while I'm going over everything. This is the one to watch. Super low float. This is one of the lowest floats we've ever seen before with volume coming in. Let me look. And no options. This could be an absolute rocket ship. Woo! See what happens. I don't see any news, though, so if there was good news following behind us. Anybody see news on this before I get going with the show? Let me see if I can see anything. Remember, we are up on a double top. We're really close. It's only like 3 cents away or something.
Reverse.
Is that what it is? SGBX, the third. I see news. Safe and Green Holdings preparing to deliver its module unit.
No financials.
Yeah, I don't. Yeah.
It had a newsletter come out.
Interesting. Just keep an eye on it. I'm gonna go about my business, you guys. if
20 for one reverse split.
Oh, gotcha.
Oh,
Okay.
shit.
Wow. Wow.
Is that
Okay.
good or bad?
Always bad.
Yeah, reverse is
terrible.
bad. Yeah.
Yeah, it's always bad.
But that just, so what this means is it's a news market pop. So that just means because it hit the news, this is why it popped. So this is not, that's not amazing.
That was 2 days. Yeah, that was 2 days ago.
Yep.
Yeah. So it's just reacting to it.
Yep. But again, up here, double top, 458 is what you really need to be concerned with. See it here? So around 435, you can see the bodies on these candles here. So I'd be starting to look at this around, 435. And where's it at now? Oh, yeah, what do you know? Yeah, it hit 454. If you look at the tippity top, that was 458. So this is your level. See them here? I would love to see a break on that. All right, you guys just let me know later if anything comes out of that. But we'll definitely keep an eye on it. I can see lots of volume going into it. I'm going to put it in here. Oh, yeah, look at that volume pouring in. Whew. You heard it here first, ladies and gentlemen. We caught that. I caught that thing in the corner of my eye like a little shiny quarter.
Hey, thanks, Coach. I got 100 Googles.
Oh, there you go. There you go. Don't forget. Make sure to throw that in Don's tip jar tonight so you guys can be on the panel.
Oh, Gaston.
Right?
Gaston.
We want to hear her foghorn go off, meaning you guys dropped a big 20 in there, right? That would be great. Do it. Make it happen.
Thank you for those of you that do so. I appreciate you.
Oh, thank you for that tip. That's very nice.
That would be actually really cool.
There you go. Absolutely. It might drum up some tips for you, right?
I think you should put that as your doorbell when we're backstage here, though.
Yeah, then have like a smoke machine go off if somebody drops a hundy in there, right? Big fog machine, laser light show, right? Make you get on the drums for 20 seconds and have to play. I don't know. Yeah,
I'll do it.
She said, I'll do it. I'll do it.
I'll do it, Captain.
Right. I better be quiet. That show could turn into something ridiculous if I don't shut my mouth. You know me, though, marketing.
That's right.
Hey, as long as I got permission, we can turn it into something.
Did you guys hear that? It's going to turn into the Gong Show.
I don't think that's where she's going with that.
Right?
Coach, we can't listen to earnings calls on there, can we?
I don't know.
I remember that show when I was a kid. How did I get gonged?
So I fell off the bus.
Right?
So, Coach, if I've seen a lot of YouTube channels where there is like commentary on earnings calls, so we should look into that.
Like they can actually play the earnings call because we can transfer.
I don't know if you can rebroadcast a paid service.
Yeah, you can.
It's not a paid service, but you can do the earnings calls. People do it. Yeah, they do it all the time. You have these Tesla warriors that are doing, commentary. 100%.
Yeah. They're just talking about doing commentary, not live feeding off of something that's paid. All right.
No, as long as you're doing an earnings call off of the website, like Tesla, they do earnings calls.
Right.
Like they'll have YouTubers that do earnings calls.
Yeah, because that's
they'll
public.
do the commentary.
It's fair use.
Yeah, we can't use Bazinga's Squawk Box Live.
That's correct. That's why I never have it up. Yep.
Squawk Box. Yep. But no, that's right.
Yeah. All right, guys. Love your faces. We got to get going. It's late. Yeah. Remember, put your ideas in the idea jar. Moderators, you know where to go. Send them the moderation area. Apple. All right, let's look at Apple. Apple's going to be 186.50 upside. Bruno, are you ready, partner? Sorry, I just jumped right into it.
Yeah.
All right, thank you. Bruno's like always at the ready because I just jump into shit. Okay. Yep, or 184.70 to the downside. Those of you that are just tuning in, this is how we get everybody set up on our pre-market. So this is going to give us key different indication levels of support and or resistance that we'll use at the bell and possibly throughout the day. So if you hear us talking about this, this is what we're doing. Do me a favor while you're watching for free. Make sure you click follow. Make sure you double tap the screen at least 16 million times when you walk in the door. And make sure you share this out. That's all I ask. If you're going to watch, and if you're over on YouTube, make sure you subscribe. But get to subscribing, following, and blow up the screen with those likes. Thank you very much. It does help the algorithm. Thank you. Okay, AMD. AMD is the place to be. 148.25 up. Yeah, 140, 147 down. Amazon. By the way, the whole market has spiked. Unemployment came out higher than it was before, which is good for inflation control. Means less people, or I'm sorry, it means more people, less people have jobs, which inflation loves. I talk about it every day. There's only a couple ways you can control inflation. High interest rates, unemployment, more taxes. That's the only way the government gets their money back. Okay. Amazon 188 up, 186 down. Apple, by the way, with a buyback program. Apple with a huge buyback program. I told you guys, Apple's not done. If you guys are listening to the little kids in the suits that have no real world experience, you're not making money. If you're over at American Dream Trading, you're getting all the real information all the time. Batting 1,000, by the way, and I'll take it. Carvana to the moon. NVIDIA, we ran it. Tesla, every single position, everywhere it's been, we have ran it. Called crypto all the way up, we ran it. AI, we ran it. I don't care what it is, we're batting 1,000. I'm sure eventually I'll be wrong, but it has only been a year and 9 months. Maybe I'll get one wrong before the 2-year mark is over, but we'll see. I don't know. We'll see. Let's just keep batting 1,000. Am I right, ladies and gentlemen? Let's just keep it up. Google, 170 and 65 cents up. And I don't like it here. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, yep, right there. Just the like of that. Yeah, I was right. Yeah, that's funny. Did you see how I went back and it was right? Stop it. 170 and 66 cents up. 169.74 down. Mara. Look at crypto. Rocket ship, huh? Let's just go up here, even though this is just a small pop. Let's go 1830 up. Right there. We can get this early. I think we get this early to the downside. 1780 down. Meta. Man, we're going to have to go 446 up. I don't like this. Yeah, we're going to have to. 444.50 down. Microsoft. $404 up. By the way, congratulations, VIP members, on all your dividend payouts. Nice job. 404 up. 401.50 down. Just continuing to pay for VIP memberships over and over and over and over and over again. Speaking of VIP memberships, while I'm doing this, we have 2 VIP, unless they were sold already, 2 VIP lifetime memberships available today. Once they're gone, they're gone. 2 VIP lifetime memberships are available today. I made it open again today. 2. Get it while you can. $5.69 up on Netflix. $5.67 down. NVIDIA, $8.77 up, $8.73 down. The Qs, $434.50 up, yeah, that's right. Okay. And, excuse me, 433 down. Everything's, excuse me, everything's gapped up so much, we got to go back. Soxel. 39 up. 38 down. Spy. Moderator, somebody's got an open mic. Could you grab it for me, please? Thank you. Love your face. 511.50 up. 509.50 down. Last one, Tesla. Don't forget, those digital thank you cards are available. If you guys want to buy me a foo-foo drink on my vacation, that'd be great. Oh, man. This one's sloppy, too. All right, we're just going to have to go up here. Tesla, 183 up. This one's a little more cut and dry down. 181.50 down. That's it. That's all of them. 14 minutes to the bell. Hot stock picks have already been posted. Moderators, let me know when those 2 lifetime memberships are sold. Don't forget today, if you guys buy a VIP Gold membership, 2 people will be entered to draw. 2 people will pull from whoever is buying the VIP Gold memberships from now until the end of May, and you'll have the opportunity to spin the wheel up to $5,000. Very nice, very nice. What is going on? Ramon, I have no idea what you're typing out there, but stop typing nonsense. Moderators, American Dream Trading. Watch Ramon over there. He's typing all sorts of weird stuff, giving addresses. I don't know what's going on. Somebody just go ahead and block him or mute him. Anyways. Okay, cool. Thank you. Thank you to all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Carter, Dawn, Paul at the Beach, Miranda, Unhappily a Housewife, Eric's Moto, DT, the female trucker, Luke Sidewalker, Jimmy, Brady, David, Mark, Nate, Ted, and Mark McSee. Sorry, my eyes are a little jacked. Appreciate everybody being here. Thank you, of course, always. Thank you for those roses. I appreciate you. Thank you for all those likes. You guys are awesome. Thank you for those shares. Thank you for the follows. Thank you again to all of our military family. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every single day here. That also always goes to our first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me. All my truck drivers around the world. There it is.
Heck yeah. Way to go, guys. Let's roll.
Thank you. That was a lot of them today. Wow, it's getting better.
I love it.
Yeah, that's beautiful, man. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, we are now 12, give or take, 12 minutes to the bell, 11 minutes to the bell. If you guys want to sign up for any of our memberships, make sure you head over to AmericanDreamTrading.com. You guys can sign up for one of our free Discord memberships where you guys can start getting immediate training, get you on the path of changing your life. Discord membership over there right now. You guys can do it absolutely free. If you do want to sign up for one of our paid memberships, you will also find that at AmericanDreamTrading.com. You'll find it nowhere else, only these 2 places. We will never send any direct messages to you, friend requests, none of that nonsense. You will only find us at American Dream Trading and only inside of the membership or stock lounge. That's the only places to reach us. If you guys are ever having any issues at all ever, please open up a help desk ticket. We have almost 20 moderators standing by to assist you and help you on your way. Speaking of memberships, let's discuss those real quick. Anytime you guys want to know what you can get with a membership, just go to membership info. With our regular membership starting at $200 a month, you can join the almost 500 people right now that are in our Zoom. You have live access to my screen. You can ask, of course, questions anytime you want. We are here for you from market open to market close every single day. You'll be in this Zoom with us and the other moderators and millionaires that have been successful in our room. So with the regular paid membership, you guys will get training starting at 8:45, the hot stock picks, the pre-market setup, the IPO center, the videos on demand, and more. So make sure you guys check that out. When you're ready to step it up, The VIP, again, VIP lifetime memberships on sale. I have two, just two. With those, you guys will get daily training with me at 8:15. You, of course, will get the VIP lounge. All workshop classes will be absolutely free to you. VIP training videos, by the way, we've got about 8 more of those coming. We're up to around 50 training videos specific just for VIP members. All the TradingView indicators are free to you. You just have to buy the membership with TradingView, which is about $15. VIP seating at the meetups. And I think I'm missing one. Oh, and early access to the pre-market Zoom starting at 4 a.m. where you can trade with our other successful people that are in here and our other millionaires. VIP Gold membership. With the VIP Gold membership, you'll get all the mastermind classes for free. 1 hour of tech support if needed, where we can remote in, get you all set up, get you to where you need to go. Weekend training. It's the first time we've ever provided weekend training. So if you work all day, you can't get in here. Perfect for you. Those are also recorded. You'll get, of course, the VIP Gold Lounge access, VIP Gold Priority Help Desk support, and the news service. Mark doing a great job on the news service. We've been updating that daily and weekly, so you are in the know. People pay thousands of dollars, by the way, per year to do what we're doing for you in that news service. And any breakout rooms. Today, we will have another breakout room. One of my moderators later today, hint, hint, nudge, nudge, moderators, I'm looking at you, Ted, David, Bruno. One of my moderators is going to have a breakout room today at 11 o'clock as soon as I leave, only for VIP Gold members. So make sure you guys look for that. One of my moderators will help you. They will train with you directly. It's more of a one-on-one style because that's a smaller group. Training, trading, all sorts of stuff going on with the VIP Gold memberships. So that's our memberships. Make sure you guys, again, head over to AmericanDreamTrading.com and we will get you all set up. If you guys need any help at any time, please open up a help desk ticket, go to help desk support, click the envelope, and we will get you all taken care of. It doesn't matter if it's billing, technical, question about how to navigate through Discord, etc. When you guys first sign up and come over here, free or paid, make sure you guys check out the FAQ. It's got all of your frequently asked questions that will help you get through. We've got entire videos on how to navigate Discord, what it looks like, what times things are, etc. Thank you, Paula. I appreciate you. You're awesome. Love your face. All sorts of good stuff. If you guys want any discount codes for TradingView or anything else we're using, go to discounts. If you guys want to know at any time what hardware I'm using, you guys can check out the coach's hardware section. Everything you need is inside of here. If you guys want to refer somebody and make a ton of money, make sure you use the referral program inside of that new members area. Just click on referrals program. It'll walk you all the way through. So if you have somebody who wants to sign up, send them that referral, right? It's 10% of whatever they sign up for. So for example, if somebody signs up for a VIP under you, you're going to get $250 immediately. So as soon as they sign up, you're going to have money right in your pocket. All sorts of stuff. All right, it's 9:24, 6 minutes to the bell. Again, the market bias is up. It does not mean it is going to stay that way. It does not mean it is going to stay that way. So I don't want everybody thinking, oh, I'm just going to trade this and then it's going to stay here. Wrong. Trade what the market gives you. All right. Seriously. Thank you for those roses. Thank you so much. What is that? Friendship bears or something? Friendship necklace. Oh, thank you. Thank you, not me. I appreciate that. Thank you for all those gifts. You guys are awesome. I see you, U.S. Heather, and of course, Paul at the beach as always. Thank you so much. Thank you for the likes, the follows, the shares. You guys are incredible. Let's have an amazing Friday. Please, everybody, follow the rules. Let's discuss those real quick. Make sure you journal every day. That also goes for you, paid members. Journal every single day. Callie has the IPO area.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Make sure you
There's
guys.
3 of them.
3 of them. All right. Thank you. Make sure you guys journal. Make sure you guys have stop losses on each and every trade. Doesn't matter if it's stocks or options. Make sure you have a stop loss. If you're a new trader, don't trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day. And also, if you're a master trader, remember the first 3 minutes and the last 8 minutes. Those are the most dangerous also for you. So please be careful inside of those time frames. Also, if you're a new trader, do not trade with real cash while you are training, right? And starting to get your legs underneath you. Make sure you're using simulated cash only. I don't want anybody blowing up their accounts, right? And going crazy. Speaking of blowing up your accounts, you are never allowed to lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value ever in any given day. If you have 2 red trading days in a row, go ahead and take the next month off. You need 4 weeks of serious, dedicated training to find out what is going on. All right. I appreciate it. Under free, since I'm a new member, what do you do with our phone number? We don't do anything with your phone number. The reason we ask for your phone number in an email is to make sure you're legit. Bot accounts won't give us a phone number. We're not doing anything. We're not telemarketing. We're not selling your information. We're literally doing that, Rebecca, to protect you. So that's all we're doing with that information, okay? We found that if you're not willing to give those 2 things, you're not a real person, and it doesn't matter anyways. Move along, right? So we're just trying to protect you guys from, it's the internet. There's ridiculousness out there on the internet, right? So anyways, that's the rules. Everybody make sure you follow them. They are hard and fast rules. They're not guidelines. You must follow these rules to be successful. Do you all trade futures? No, we are not futures traders, but we do have people inside of the room that are trading futures. We have people that are trading cryptocurrency. We are looking at shifting into also having crypto inside of here. So look for that in the future. That is something we're working on. Excuse me. I've been trading crypto since crypto has been crypto. I've been doing this for a very long time. By the way, if you guys are new here, my name is Chad, aka The Coach. I have been trading in stocks for 32 years now. I train over 100,000 people a day. We are the largest and fastest growing stock market education company in the country. We've been featured over at Inc.com. Appreciate all of you being here. You guys are absolutely amazing. If you guys haven't checked out that article yet, I would really appreciate it if you guys did. It at least lets you know who we are. Information, of course, has been verified, how long we've been in business, etc. I have been live every day now for almost exactly 1 year and 9 months. We've been in business. Corporation has been in business since February 2021. So over 3 years of actual incorporated functioning business. But other than that, I have been trading for, like I said, over 3 decades, helping people throughout that entire journey. And way before I was doing this as a corporation, I was helping people. You've seen them on Twitter paying off their houses, their cars, retiring, all sorts of stuff before I even started all this. This was kind of the idea of like, hey, there's so many more people I can help. I have so much information I can give. And this is what happened. How long does it take? How long it take you to get profitable? It took me, oh, wow, probably, I mean, I was more long-term when I first started for about the first year and a half. But as soon as I stopped being just long-term is when I started churning the butter. So about a year and a half. But I was doing long-term investments when I first started as a kid because I didn't know any better. I didn't know all of this information. So it was more about like buying and holding, but I was doing it more frequently. And then the more frequently I started doing, I was like, hey, I can make way more money doing this instead of, buying Apple and letting it sit there until the cows come home. So once I started to create all these different things for myself, back then there was no YouTube, there was no mentors, there was none of that. It was trial by fire. I just had a lot of people around me that were into stocks, and I was like, hey, I want to do it. And I was extremely young. I think I was 19 when I first started. So I'm going to be 51 this year. So it's been a very, very, very long time. 30 seconds to the bell. Okay, thank you for that. 10 seconds. All right, everybody. Here we go. Now listen, it's Friday. It's Options Friday. Everybody follow the rules. Make sure your call-outs are clear and concise. 2-minute EWOs for the win. Congratulations, everybody, on Apple, by the way. If you listen to me on Apple, you're freaking rich or well on your way. Here we go, everybody. Watching Apple here. Expecting a pullback of everybody selling off. We'll see. Yep. Here comes the sell-off. That's everybody collecting their money. Normal. Give me 1 second. So Apple pulled back to 185.77, still staying up around that 186.50, which is our upper level that we're looking at. All right, let's see. So Apple, there goes. Finally, a little bit more of a pullback on Apple. Okay, that's better. That's what I was anticipating. I still expect a little more out of that. Here we go. AMGN running. AMGN. Nice pop, 13%. Plug, PLUG. Plug, PLUG. Great for small accounts. 8.5%. Plug. Sorry, somebody said something. Go ahead.
Yes, AMGN had good earnings, and watched Coin today. They reported good earnings, but it was kind of kept down. It looks like it's might make a move today.
Gotcha. Thank you. And all crypto, as long as the market goes up, should also go up. So make sure to keep an eye on Coin, Mara, Riot, MSTR. Thank you. How to join for free? Just go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. And welcome. Appreciate you being here. Let's see. Yeah, Apple's still pulling back as anticipated. SPY pulled back at the open as anticipated. Doing exactly what we always assume if the market runs to the upside. Tesla did the same thing. Now look at where Tesla stopped. Didn't we mark 181.50 as our pre-market setup to the downside? And look at where it stopped, right to the damn penny. Everybody see it? Yep, nice. Isn't that a great opportunity, master scalpers, on the bottom down there on our pre-market setup? Yeah, it was. Okay, good. Nice job. Here's something, a little something for you. Nice job. Looks like NVIDIA found support at 871.50. NVIDIA found support at 871.50. Double topping around this 879.60. See if that can break that double top and hold. Everybody's still collecting their money on Apple, I see. Up 7.2%. Apple having one of its biggest days it's ever had. Tesla below VWAP crashing out. 181.50
to the upside.
Which one?
Tom.
Piton. Okay. Piton is on a 2-minute EWO to the upside. Okay. Thank you. There's your Tesla 181.50 again, exactly to the penny. Master scalpers, did you get it the second time?
I did, Coach.
Thank you. It's actually the third time because there's 1, there's 2, there's 3. Nice. Just remember, real sketchy in this area, right? We want to see a break above 183 and hold to the upside. But every time 181.50, it's paid off 3 times in a row. Love it, love it, love it.
Google red EWO.
Thank you, Tesla. There it goes. Continuing to pop. It's touched 183 pullback. There's our pre-market to the upside. Look at to the penny where it stopped. Look at this.
That's amazing, Coach.
Oh, my.
Yeah, Tesla. Wow. Okay.
Look at this. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 exact pre-market setup. Yep. We've been doing this a while.
Coach, SBGX is gaining momentum and a lot of volume to the upside.
All right. Hot stock pick SGBX starting to move to the upside. Okay. Thank you. Look at that. 183 to the penny. Nice job, everybody. Yeah, Piton staying up high. AMGN is below VWAP. SPY pulling harder here. We've got a pre-market level of 509.50-ish down there. Trying to keep an eye on all sorts
Spice
of...
pulling, coach.
Yep, just said that. Thank you.
SGBX.
Thank you. SGBX. Yep, nice. SGBX. This is the one I called out in the VIP this morning. Said this had great potential to run today. We'll see what it wants to do. Piton, new high a day. We've got our levels marked on SGBX right here. We'll see if it can break.
Apple, second red, EWO.
Thank you.
Oh, I'm sorry. I had that on 1 minute chart. Sorry, Coach.
No worries. No worries. No worries. By the way, Apple should be down here at resistance around this. Apple should be around resistance around this 184.50. We'll see if it can hold or not. Or I'm sorry, support. We'll see if it's going to hold on support. But I don't. It's heavy.
Amazon, second red, EWO.
Thank you. Apple on this double bottom. SGBX, new high a day. Did anybody get in that? Look at that, Nate. SGBX, partner. Woo.
Yeah.
That's nice. There goes one of the VIP lifetime memberships. They are sold. We only have one left. Congratulations to you, Marcus. One left. SGBX continuing to climb. 490 now. Congratulations, everybody, on SGBX. It's like taking candy from a baby.
That's hilarious.
I'm waiting for all the cleaners to be like, I didn't know they had a kid in the house. Right? He must have took candy from the baby. SGBX, $5. New high a day.
Coach, that is the best sound effect.
It really is. I absolutely love it.
Coach, you have British cleaners.
SGBX, $5, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this. 12 million volume. We caught this early in the VIP room. You can't tell me that VIP does not pay for itself when you do what you need to do. Am I right? Results not guaranteed. Not financial, tax, or investment advice.
AGBA, really nice staircasing up.
AGBA, okay, thank you. Yeah, looking good. Up 4.8%. Nice job. Apple again down here on. Now look at where Apple is riding. Isn't this what we called out at 184.70 this morning? Excuse me. So you already know that's a major level. It's just sitting right at this level. Look at this. 184.70 on Apple is major. Above it, bullish. Below it, bearish. That's how you set up on that pre-market setup.
Amazon on the third EW red.
Okay, thank you. Amazon
And
third.
Piton your high day.
Third Amazon 2-minute EWO to the downside. Thank you. Good morning, Rockin' Irish. Nice name. Wants me to look at NEM. I'm on it. NEM, all to the downside. And low volume. I don't like that stock at all here. Not unless that picks up in volume and reverses, unless you're shorting it. So same thing over there, Rockin' Irish, which is over on TikTok. As long as that stays below VWAP, that's bearish, meaning to the downside. Okay, partner? If it pops and holds and breaks above VWAP and you get some nice momentum volume, then I'll look at it. Otherwise, no bueno. Other stocks to be looking at. Like Piton, continuing to climb.
Microsoft broke through upper pre-market levels.
Okay, thank you. MSTR starting to get some good volume here to the upside. MSTR. Arr. There goes SPY. There goes SPY on her 509. Had 52, but same thing. There's your SPY bounce. Exactly. Look at this. You can't even write this any better. Can you guys see my screen? There's your pre-market high. There's your pre-market low.
Yeah.
There's exactly where it stopped. There's exactly where it bounced. Come on, man. Huh? Look at this. Are you not entertained? Look at this. Goodness gracious.
SBGX new high.
No, nobody's entertained by that.
I won.
Okay, thank you.
I am.
Thank you.
You just got lucky.
He just got lucky. I like it.
Kidding.
Yeah, I like it. You look at. I drew a beautiful apple around it. I don't know. Okay. Because you guys are the apple of my eye. All right, here we go. MSTR. MSTR double top, getting ready to make new high a day. MSTR. Told you it was getting volume at around 1204.53. We want to see it break 1217. Break and hold 1217 for a new high. A lot of volume in there. Apple, there's your bearish setup. Watch, though, on the 200. If Apple's going to bounce, it's going to be on this 200. One thing you need to be careful of with Apple today. This is people selling off. At some point today, this could rally, right? Just be careful. Just be mindful. Trade the trades, but be mindful of a reversal on Apple. Yes? There goes your MSTR new high a day. Did anybody get on this one? I called it out, by the way.
I did, Coach.
Yes.
Sure did.
Yes. Wow, that's massive. Woo! Nice job. Was that Hamilton? Mark.
Mark.
Mark. I was going to say, or Mark. Nice. It's
An
always
angel.
an angel. I've always got my regulars that listen. I love that. Love it. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Thank you for being a friend. There it is. Thank you, friends. Thank you, my friends.
Thank you, Coach.
Yes, yes.
Hartman. Hey, Meta is a new high day.
Meta.
Hey,
new
Tesla
high.
too.
Okay, thank you.
Tesla is going.
SMCI's got a pattern going up.
Oh, good. Okay, thank you. Yeah, Tesla. Yeah, Tesla broke our 183. You already knew what to do. Did anybody hammer that pig when it broke 183?
Me.
Yay. Yay. It's almost like we have all of this set up for these exact areas so that you know exactly what to do and when to do it. It's crazy. It's crazy what we doing here. It's beautiful. SPY bounced on 509.50, working its way back up to 511.53, 50-ish, I should say, for that one. Coach, can you look at the NVIDIA range? Absolutely, I'm on it. That is over on YouTube. Jimmy asks, Coach, can you look at it? Yes, I can. I can see 187.40 was support. It's riding around our levels at 873. This is very bullish right now. This wants to make a move back up to that 879.60. Very bullish, though, on NVIDIA, which means, yep, Soxel's also moving up, which means SMCI is moving up, which means AMD should have been, but it's kind of flat. All right. Still waiting. And okay, the Q's making a move to the upside, kind of in the middle.
Amazon double top.
Amazon double top. Thank you. Good call out on that.
SPY is about to do a double top too. It's right there.
Yep, I see it. SPY starting to get momentum. Apple continuing to pull. It's almost as if somebody told you because it ran up so much in the pre-market that there would be sell-off at the open. I wonder who could have said that. I don't know. Let's see.
Little bird.
Thank you. A little birdie told you. NVIDIA, there's your double top. There's your pullback. We'll look to see if we get a retest and a push through because there is a lot of momentum on NVIDIA to the upside right now. I'm expecting a retest with possible breakthrough. We'll see. L2s are getting pushed down pretty good. But look at this perfect. Now, what is my perfect, everybody, what is my perfect setup? What do I love to do the most?
Double tops,
Yep.
double bottoms, triple tops, triple bottoms.
Yep.
Didn't miss in Spy. Look at that.
My favorites are always double tops and triple tops because I love to buy puts on them. Yes. Yes. Q's to the upside. Q's to the upside. There goes Spy. There's your 511.50 pre-market setup, double top. Boy, I really like double tops.
Heat on, new high a day.
Thank you. Apple at the 200 MA. See if this can get above it. Spy being extra cautious right here. 511.50. That's your double
Microsoft is still climbing.
Thank you. Microsoft still to the upside. NVIDIA trying to move here. Somebody want to block Ramon again over on our other TikTok? Thanks. There goes NVIDIA. New high a day. Wow. Look at NVIDIA. That's beautiful. Beautiful. MSTR, new high a day. Whoever got into that, I called it at around 12:04. You're at 12:32 now. Nice job.
Still in it.
Yep.
Never letting go.
Take it easy. Take it easy, Rose. I'll never let go of you, Jack. I know. I'll be here all next week. Don't forget to tip all your moderators.
Share the damn door.
Yeah, share the door. MSTR, new high of day. So nice. So nice. Peloton, still rocking. Peloton still to the upside. 15%. I remember when everybody counted Peloton down and out. What happened? What happened? Yeah.
There's an article in the VIP Gold News about Peloton. Imagine that.
Can you believe that, everybody? If only you would have
I'm
had
kidding.
VIP Gold News to know what to do today. Interesting. If only there were one place where you could have got that information. Am I right?
There is only one place, Coach.
Oh, wow. There really is.
American Dream Train!
Yeah, American Dream Train. Oh, I love your face.
Bark, bark.
Bark, bark.
Tesla's still looking good, Coach. Oh my gosh.
Absolutely. Check out Riot. Now, if you guys remember me this morning, told you keep an eye on that crypto. Riot, Mara, MSTR, and Coin.
Netflix stairs stepping up nicely.
Thank you. Yeah, Netflix. Beautiful move here. Up 1%. Looking nice. MSTR is up almost 9%, everybody. It's getting pretty high in the clouds. Pretty high in the clouds. AMD, somebody just said AMD break. T-Sizzle, yep. AMD double top. AMD double top up here at 149. Break. Break and hold above AMD right there's your confirmation candle. Bullish to the upside. See it? Good call out, T-Sizzle. I see you. Nice job. Great training, says Carr. Just pay attention. Absolutely. There's that MSTR. I was anticipating that pullback right there. Did anybody hear the flexion in my voice? I'm sure you did. So that's way up there at 9%. That's way up there at 9%. Remember, everybody, if you're going to use the shedding technique today, what is it? How much?
50, 20, 20, 10.
There it is.
Yep. I was going to say it, but
There it
good
is.
job.
Yep, there it is. Paul, I accidentally clicked invite. Don't worry about that. Nice job. By the way, we still have one VIP lifetime membership available today. Get it now. Moderators, let me know when it's gone. One more, and we're shutting the doors.
Yeah, coach, double tap for the win on SPY.
Yeah, oh, nice. Oh, I see it. Oh, I see it. Yeah.
I stayed in their sweaty hands, but
You got paid on that pullback right there, didn't you?
yeah, I'm out.
Yeah.
I did also, coach. Thank you. I made $2,000 in 30 seconds.
Who was that? Who was that?
I lied. It was 1 minute. It was 1 minute and I made $2,000.
$2,000 regulator. Was that double top pullback?
Yep.
Oh my gosh, that's beautiful.
Thank you.
Yes, you guys are awesome. Nice job.
But it's staying up there, right, coach? It looks like it wants to break that resistance.
Yeah, but remember, you trade the trades until it shows us otherwise, right? So this is still to the downside until it shows us otherwise, right?
Yep.
But yeah, it definitely is hanging up here. It's definitely hanging, staying up top, staying tall.
And now with Apple going back up,
Yep.
it might push it.
Yep, absolutely. And remember, everybody, here's the thing. So if you look at SPY, the overall is up. Even though I had a pullback at the open, if you look at this, the overall is to the upside, which means anytime we buy puts, it's more dangerous, right? Because we're going against the grain, right? So we have to be careful of that as well. So good job, regulator, and whoever else that was, right? We got to be quick on these ones because we're going against the grain. Quick, quick, quick.
Coach, with Apple already being up 1.25, or excuse me, SPY, should we be a little nervous?
I'm sorry, what was the question? Oh, because you're saying it's up so high.
Yeah, it's up at 1.27 already.
Yeah,
SPY
it's
is.
up. Yeah, it is up really high. 1.5%, as you guys know, is massive for SPY to the upside, right? That's huge to the upside right now. Yes. But again, trade the trades, do what it's showing you. Now look at that MSTR. Did anybody hear me when I said this was way up here in the clouds? This is where I always want to shed, right? When it's that high. Does everybody see it?
Yes, sir.
Yep. That was just way up there at 9%. SPY. Now, I want to show you guys SPY right here. Now, of course, it's to the upside looking great, but I want to show you something. This is where people panic, right? But it is to the upside. But as an example, when it pops through, this is where we don't panic. Now this is starting to now that's confirmation. As soon as it breaks the body, of course, it's the upside. Has to break previous body to go up. Then it's confirmation up. But everybody always panics when you see a candle break through. We don't panic when candles break through. It has to be a long candle or a candle that comes through and then another candle that comes, and then as soon as it breaks previous candle body. You see what I mean? Like this one right here. So this is the body. This is bullish. See it? So we'll see.
Coach, did you make that happen for this example?
Tesla is retesting resistance of 184.20.
Thank you. Oh, yeah, I made it happen only for this example.
It did it just as you said that. That's great.
Tesla right here. So this is a baby double top on Tesla. Can you guys see it?
Yep.
Very small, but it is there. There goes SPY. Nice to the upside.
Coach, you're a genius.
New high a day on SPY.
Hey, Coach.
Yes.
Do you mind repeating that scenario you say the bullish on the SPY?
Yeah. So remember, we always talk about Yep. So we always talk about how they break through, right? Well, it's not actually confirmation until the next candle, which is this one, goes higher than this one's previous body. See it here? So as soon as I saw this
green, you mean the green, right?
Yes.
Next green. Okay.
Yeah. So as soon as I saw this candle, right, going higher than the one that popped through, I'm like, bullish. And it did. It went to here. See it?
I see. Okay.
But this is me always talking about when you guys hear me say a break and hold. This is an example. Long candle is a confirmation, or a candle that pokes through with another candle that is showing it confirmation. Make sense? But that,
Yes, sir.
But that does not mean candle, candle, candle. None of this matters. You see them all? None of those are confirmation. Make sense? None of these are confirmation.
Okay, so a long candle or the next one that breaks through.
Hey, Andrew.
Yeah.
You were the one that let the VIP lapse, right? Andrew?
Yes.
Andrew.
Yeah.
Andrew, yesterday you asked me 7 questions. Today I hear you asking questions. The only reason I say this, everybody, maybe we should be investing in our educations. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Andrew?
Absolutely.
Andrew, I want to see you back over there. I need you to be reporting to that green room. There's so much information. You should be asking moderators 24/7 inside of this room, my friend. Okay.
No, you're right. The only thing, time is the issue for me in the mornings, to be honest with you.
Then the VIP gold will be a perfect situation. Perfect. And we're here, Andrew, from 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. for VIP members, right? Okay, good.
Okay.
Yes, Coach.
Yeah, that's where
It's a shift change.
Thank you. Our pre-market starts, right, with our other mods and millionaires at 4 a.m. That's a great time to be asking some questions too, right?
So you're right, Coach. The morning is very hard for me. So what I'm trying to do right now, I'm pushing so hard.
I got you.
So I've been focusing a lot for the last few months on earnings right after 3.
Okay.
So that's pretty much how I've been.
Okay. So you're swing trading earnings?
So literally, like I had to 3 o'clock. I had to have like 2. Mainly, I'll focus on 1 or 2 the most.
I got you. But every morning I've been seeing you at the same time, just before 10 o'clock, asking questions.
Right now, exactly. You're right. I'm on the phone right now.
Okay, I got you. All right, we'll see you soon over there. See you in the green room. You guys like that? Guys, you need to invest in your educations. I'm not kidding.
I totally agree with you 110.
Yep. I see you guys lapse that stuff. I'm driving to your house. This is where it's at. This is the education. Tesla 184. This right here. We want to see this break of this 184. It's technically 50, even though it stopped at at 39. It's technically 184.50 is where you want to see that break.
New high on AMD.
Thank you. Let's take a look. Yeah, AMD continuing to run. AMD continuing to run. Oh, real quick, because I realized that we scheduled the vacation. I could have tried to move everything around, but again, we didn't. We only had, I think, 8 people sign up so far for the master class, the mastermind class, how to grow a small account part 2. So I moved the date from June 5th to the 26th. So 3 weeks later, same thing on a Wednesday, just so you guys know.
26. Not in my schedule.
Oh, can't hear you. Go ahead.
You going to Oahu, Coach?
Honolulu, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah, okay. Oahu, you say Kahala?
Yeah,
Resort?
Kahala Resort. Yep.
You like that?
Sea change.
Yeah, it's supposed to be a 5-star resort.
You can pet the dolphins, Coach.
Yeah, I saw that. That'll be cool.
Tesla just broke.
Yep, Tesla broke. But look at the pullback on SPY. Look at that pullback on SPY at 512.55. Watch the market got pushed down. Everybody see the market getting pushed?
Yeah, it
The
went
whole,
super
listen,
green and super red in like 2
listen,
seconds.
hold on, listen, everybody. The market's, somebody's on something somewhere. It's 10 o'clock.
Just
Yeah,
changed.
there's a lot of news at 10 o'clock.
Yep, 10 o'clock. Everybody, everything's getting
That's
pushed.
why. There was IS numbers and PMI numbers come out.
So everybody be careful here. You can see the whole market got pushed down all at the exact same time. Q, SPY, Apple, NVIDIA, everything just got pushed hard. Now, if you all had your stops in place, you wouldn't care. If you didn't, you're like, oh, damn, where were those rules at again, right?
Coach, I made another 1,000 on that pre-market setup and a VIP gold you gave us
Oh my
on that pullback.
Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Regulate.
Morning, Coach.
Good morning.
It's Paul calling you from the Kentucky Derby.
Oh, Paul, that's awesome, man. Very cool. How's
What's
the weather
up?
right now?
Well, we got a little rain this morning, and but things are looking up. Man, this is something to see if you ever get a chance. This is I just thought it was another horse race, but it's certainly not.
Yeah, no, that's next level. Yeah, my cousin took me just to a local thing that we had there. I don't want to say it was Tampa. I can't even remember now. We only went a couple times, but that's what it was, is the Kentucky Derby, right, where we got to watch the actual races and stuff. We weren't at the Kentucky Derby, but we were at a place that was doing it, and wow, it looks cool as hell.
Absolutely, man, and just can't thank you enough. I made about $18,000 yesterday, and I made $8,500 this morning just playing around here.
That's awesome.
And
while you're at the Kentucky Derby.
While I'm sitting on my phone at the Airbnb just playing around. And the good thing is we're on East Coast time, so I got to sleep till 4 o'clock this morning.
That is so awesome. Make sure you take some pictures, brother. We'd love to see that posted in the membership lounge.
Will do, and I got my American Dream Trading. I got 3 hats with me, so I'm trying to get around, see if somebody won't let me take some pictures today at the Oaks for today's breast cancer awareness.
Oh, that's so cool.
The Kentucky Oaks, but anyway, I just wanted to say hello. I don't want to interrupt the show, but thanks for all you do, and I love you, brother. I hope you have a great day.
Thank you too, man. I love you. I appreciate you. That's awesome.
Ups down.
Yep, I'm on it. Thank you. You guys hear that? How cool is that? One of our members is at the Kentucky Derby and making money on his phone while he's there. That
Coach,
is the
masterclass
American.
training. I made $600. Thank you for all your help.
Nice job. Tell me that isn't the American dream, right? That's so cool. By the way, Regulator, I see you out there. Nice job, partner. That's
Apple
amazing.
puts caught the run back to VWAP, and it's up
Thank you, Coach.
150%.
All right, thank you. Nice, nice. SPY continuing to pull here. So is Tesla.
Coach, question for you. On Tesla, we don't touch it because it's near VWAP, right?
Let me take a look. Hold on. Yeah, this is just a sketchy spot. As long as it stays below, you can get into those puts. But I would just give it a minute. If you look at this previous candle right here, this is the one I want to see it break past, right? If this breaks past right here, though, I'm in puts. See this? And then my stop is right above here. So right, it's almost there. Right now, these are puts. See it? Boom, go. Go, 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 go.
Push. Push.
Yeah, hold on one sec.
Okay.
Right there, boom, and then I'll collect. See it? Nice. That's my move, but it's still got more to go. But that's my move. Everybody see it? It's as soon as it breaks this previous candle body here, pull down to this nice one candle until it stops, and then I'm out. Just like that.
Thanks, Coach.
Yep. Okay, somebody said, Coach, go.
Can you check Amazon for me, please?
You got it.
Thank you.
Yep. Amazon is an absolute dumpster fire. Don't touch that thing. This is
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Listen, there's so many other trades to be looking at that are better than Amazon. Amazon has hovered around VWAP the whole damn day, right? Look at this. I don't want that. I want up and down, or all up or all down. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Yep. Now, does everybody see why when I scalp this here, I get out right here? That is my money move. See this?
Yes, sir.
Yep. And then I wait and see what
It
the
was
next
only
trade
from the
is.
whole account.
Yep.
25%.
Nice job.
From the whole account.
Nice job. Now look at, now Tesla, I'm bullish. So now we're to the upside. It's above VWAP. Now it's going to want to move up to 184.50. See it? But you need to be that fast. This is exactly what I'm talking about. You guys heard me say exactly when I buy the puts and exactly when I would get out. Yes? And it is that fast.
Yeah, just a minute.
Does everybody know why that side had to be faster than the upside? Because the overall is to the upside. Overall is to the upside. And I told you, anytime you go against the grain, I am not hanging out in it, right? Okay, good. Nice. Just listen to the sound of my voice.
Well, your indicators help tremendously in the EMA averages that David trained through you.
Oh, good. Real quick, it's 10 o'clock. Time for our station identification here at American Dream Trading. Everybody do me a favor, if you would, head on over to the X, aka the Twitter sphere. Go to Twitter. Find me ADT Coach at ADT Coach. Somebody go and say something nice. Thank you for those likes about American Dream Trading. Make sure you tag me at ADT Coach. We're going to flip my screen now over to Twitter, and we can all see everything that we're all tweeting. Here it comes, live. Here we go. Waiting for them to come in. While we're waiting for those to come in, we'll read some of those. Make sure you guys head on over to AmericanDreamTrading.com. By the way, is that other lifetime still available, or did that get sold? Okay, the other one's still available. We have that one VIP lifetime membership. It is still available, but we only have one left. I repeat, one left. Dan over on TikTok says, what's the difference between gold and VIP? With the gold membership, you guys get early access training at 8:15 with me. That's masterclass training, masterclass training videos. We have almost 50 of those videos now to train with. You guys get the workshop classes for free with the VIP. You guys get early access to Zoom starting at 4 o'clock. You guys, of course, get the VIP lounge access. Hold on. What am I missing? All the workshop classes. And of course, you get the hot stock picks, pre-market setup, IPO setter, and all the videos on demand. With the VIP Gold, you guys get the mastermind classes for free. Those are $200 a whack, by the way. You guys get 1 hour of tech support if needed, where we can remote in, get you set up, or phone, whatever you need. You get VIP Gold Lounge access, VIP Gold Priority Help Desk support, our brand new news service, and our breakout room. Again, today, breakout room for one of our moderators. It's going to be Ted, David, or Bruno, most likely. So look for that breakout room in about 50 minutes from now, only for VIP Gold. And VIP Gold, by the way, you guys also get weekend training. You guys are the only ones that get weekend training. So that's what you get. If you don't have any of our memberships, if you get the VIP Gold Complete, that is everything we offer for a full year. VIP Gold Complete is everything we offer. Right now, if you buy a VIP Gold membership from now until the end of May, You will be entered into a drawing where I will pick 2 people to spin the wheel of cash to win up to $5,000 live in front of everybody. And we'll do that live. What's up, Eric's Moto? Good to see you, buddy. I see you over on TikTok. So again, make sure you guys sign up for one of those memberships today. Appreciate it. Tesla now below VWAP. So we popped up. Now we're below. Choppy chop. If you're not a master scalper, be careful. All right, here we go. Junior says, happy weekend, coach. Thank you very much. I see you, Diesel. Thank you, coach. 7 green days now. Thank you so much. Thank you for those follows. I see it. Literally in the middle of a trade and put it aside to show my respect. Aw, thank you, man. I appreciate you, Cam. Tony says, American Dream Trading is a life changer. Making money on the daily with training to last a lifetime. Come check it out. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Mark says something nice, making cash daily at American Dream Trading. Thank you, Mark. Nice way to sneak in that affiliate. You are very smart. George, best training ever. Thank you, coach, for investing us. Thank you. Notice, Mark, you just got me to retweet it. That just now hit my 14,000 people, right? Very smart. Let's go. Yeah, you got to be smart. Jeff says, let's go. That's right. Let's go. Steve says, real day trading and stock education. There is only one place, AmericanDreamTrading.com. Thank you. 5th day in a row. Patience for pennies. Nice job. 4th day in a row. Green. Nice work. Enjoy watching ADT Coach every day. Very informative. Great information. Thank you. I appreciate that. Danny says, VIP Green joined 3 weeks back and have been learning a ton. Struggling for a year and everything is getting clear. Nice job, Danny. We're so glad to have you here, man. James says, best place to be for financial education by far. Thank you. Look at Tesla pulling now. Huge pull on Tesla now. Norman says, ADT coach's training pays for itself. He also is an exceptional moderator team to help you through any difficulty. For value, expertise, support, and fun, you can't beat it. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate that. That's very nice. The Money Train, ZNK Apparel, thank you very much. And Leslie says, learning in VIP every day. You're a wealth of knowledge. Thank you for all you do. You're very welcome. Thank you guys for posting over on ADT Coach over on Twitter. Thank you so much. You guys are awesome. Let me flip back to our regularly scheduled program. Thank you guys for letting me plug in my memberships. I need to do that more often. It does help the business. Hope Crypto says, if I had $1 for every time ADT Coach is right, I'd be a millionaire. Listen to the sound of his voice. Great stock market training. That's awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Everybody do me a favor right now. If you're watching over here on TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, or Twitter, type in a 1 to let me know you're here. Type in a 1 to let me know you are here. Make sure you also follow or subscribe if you're on YouTube. Let me know. There it is. Thank you. Come on, fire this thing up. Let's fire up this machine today. There it is. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Thank you. Nice. ADT Coach on TikTok is getting it done. Steve-O typed in a 2. Thank you, Steve-O. American Dream Trading with 1,000 likes. Come on, hit those likes. Let's go. Get them likes going, baby. Thank you. Thank you. Nice. TLC Riddle, tons of ones. Thank you. Appreciate you guys. All the profits are rolling in. We're going to read those profits and losses today. I'm going to have somebody read that here in about 15 minutes. Make sure you post all your profits in there and or losses. Thank you. Thank you. I see everybody posting. Nice. I appreciate that. Thank you. Where is my Twitch rowdy crew? I don't understand. Where has Twitch been? Hello, Twitch. Where are you guys and gals? Let's go. Fire up the beast over there, Twitch. Come on, let's go. I see you. I'm watching you. There we go. Now you're talking. Nice, nice. How does YouTube look? Oh, yeah. YouTube's cranking. Yeah, we got a lot of people on YouTube. Thank you. Don't forget, do me a favor over on YouTube. Make sure you guys click that subscribe. I appreciate it. We have tons of new videos coming out. We have over 2,000 training videos over on YouTube. We also created brand new playlists so you guys can find everything easier over on our YouTube channel. Make sure you guys check it out. James L with another Green Day. Thank you, Coach. Nice job over in our P&L.
Coach, I'm gone for the day.
All right, partner. Thank you so much, man. I hope you had another good week.
Yep, it's a good week, good place to be. I'm up 27,000 for the week, even though I had that bad day Wednesday. So
Nice
it's
job.
not bad.
Yeah, that's great, man. Couldn't have happened to a better person. We appreciate you. Have an amazing weekend. Love your face. Get a little downtime, relax. Make sure you go wash that car today.
I'm definitely going there first.
So am I. As soon as I get done, that's where I'm headed. Working at
Alright.
the car wash. Love the car wash. Come on now. Nice.
All
nice.
right. Yeah.
Thank you, man. We'll see you next
Thank
week.
you, Nate.
Appreciate all the help. Everybody show Nate some love, man. Let him know. Show him some love.
Yeah, Nate.
Good job.
Good
Thanks, Nate. Thank you.
job,
Love
Nate.
you, buddy. Take care, bud. Have a
Thank
good
you,
weekend.
Nate. Have a good one. Great job.
Keep it real, Nate. Love you, man.
Monday or Saturday or something.
Layers.
Absolutely.
How's your buddy doing?
He's doing fine.
Coach, man, I have to thank you, man. These pre-market setups you gave us in the VIP Gold, I just made another 500 on that bounce off of the lines you set up for us in the morning.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
1 minute, $500, another 500. Thank you.
Yeah, great job, regulator. You're crushing it. I love hearing it. Nice work.
I did a call on Apple on my paper trading last night before the close.
Oh yeah.
With the fake account, $1 million, doubled it to 2 million.
Oh,
Wish
yeah.
it was.
Yeah.
Contract for $5, sold today for 14.
Wow, that's awesome. But you know what? The good thing is you're starting to see how it works, what it looks like, what percentages it takes to move, how much you would make, right? So it's all good training.
Absolutely. Thank you, Coach.
Absolutely. Great job.
Coach, I meant to tell you, yesterday I bought 200 shares of Apple yesterday evening.
Oh, wow. Nice job.
So this morning I was glad to see over $2,000 in my account.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Was that off my conversation yesterday about Apple and the suits being
Yeah, everybody was
Yeah.
thinking it was gonna do what it did, and I took a chance and bought 200 shares.
Now, here's what's crazy. So Apple missed earnings. If it wouldn't have been for the Apple buyback, today would not have looked like that, just so you know.
Yeah.
Yep. Today would have technically been a down day for Apple, but because they announced the buyback, that's what boosted it so much. So just so everybody knows, they did miss earnings, though.
They did. And
Yep.
nobody runs in earnings like Apple. They were able to put the lowered numbers in context because there were supply chain issues last year that kind of messed
correct.
things up.
Yep.
That made it a little bit of an outlier. So they explained it really well in the earnings call.
Yep.
And you're right. When we were talking about this on earnings just before the bell rang, we were talking. It was great to have a whole bunch of Apple experts on board, and we were able to kind of determine that it still could be pretty bullish just because of some of the tricks that Apple had up its sleeve. And Mark McSee had some great news articles on Apple that kind of spelled out that Apple will probably pay a dividend. They'll probably do a stock buyback, and that kind of put us in a more of a bullish stance.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank God for our VIP Gold news service, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely. Yep. Yeah, they were anticipating a higher payout dividend, but we didn't see it. But yeah, nice job. Nice job, everybody.
And I tell you what, if you read the article in the Wall Street Journal today on Apple, you don't come away with a really bullish stance. But it doesn't seem like the market's responding to that article.
Yeah, 10% iPhone sales overall. It's always the same stuff. But listen, I told you guys, I told you yesterday, VIP members or regular market, I don't remember. It's always these suits, right? They don't have a clue what's going on. They're not around it. They don't live it, breathe it. You know,
Especially business journalists.
right. It's always the same garbage over and over. It's always like that. That's why I told you I'm still bullish on Apple long term. I mean, it's Apple, right?
If the people watching for free on TikTok, Twitch, YouTube can't see the benefit of a paid membership and be able to hang out and make money by listening to deep dive analysis with Ted and the gang, where they look at these things before it happens and look at it, put all the pieces of the puzzle together, and how uncanny that all of it usually turns out the way they say. I don't know what could convince anybody to not do it.
It's hard, right? I always feel like I'm hard selling, but you guys have no idea all the benefits of what we're doing. How much is the membership, says Javon. Javon, a regular paid membership is $200 a month. If you want a VIP right now, it's $2,500 a year, which also includes all the perks of a regular membership. Or you can go to a VIP Gold, which is another $2,500 add-on. Right now, again, though, I have one left. One VIP lifetime left. Right now, you guys can get it. Once it's gone, though, and then the store is closed. SPY, by the way, right here, below 509.50 is bearish. See this? And why? Well, look at, isn't this our pre-market setup level? Now, just like this, you see the way this candle broke through? This is not set up yet. This is what I'm talking about. Do you see it? This is not a break and hold, is it?
No, sir.
No, not at all. Now, if you get another candle confirmation long in here, it will be. But this, nope. All it's doing is poking its head through. In this case, its feet, right? That does not do anything yet. And this is where people get into trouble. Oh, coach, but I thought it was going to run off of this candle. Wrong. Absolutely wrong. Do you have any Spanish-speaking moderators? Yes, we do. For our paid members, Enrique, we actually have a full Spanish lounge just for that. Yep.
NVIDIA first read EWO.
There you go. We have a lot of Spanish-speaking people in here, by the way. Sorry,
NVIDIA first read EWO. Sorry.
Yeah, you're fine. Absolutely. I started that channel over a year ago. The Spanish channel. By the way, we were the first ones to ever do that. And I don't think anybody else has ever done that since. We are the only ones that do that. Again, we're trying to reach as many people. I want to help as many people as I can. And that was a part of that. Where do I find the coach's rules? Moderators, you want to direct lots 9737 over in the stock lounge. Thank you.
SGBX popping on.
Thank you.
Coach, I speak Spanish and sign language, but it's hard to hear me on Zoom when I do sign language.
Right. Thank you.
I know we didn't talk about Google, but Google has been put all morning.
Thank you.
Non-stop, straight down. Beautiful. Marty, a 125% on it.
Thank you. By the way, here's your SPY confirmation downside. Everybody see it now? Yes?
On Google, there was I think there was news this morning on an antitrust lawsuit related to their search engine. So different from some of the App Store lawsuits that they've been dealing with. So that could be having an effect.
All right. Thank you. And then make sure you have your stop right here. Everybody see this? Stop above. Let it run. If you get stopped out, you're going to reverse the script. This is a dangerous spot. 509.50. This is testing. Watch the market. Let me flip. Hold on. Yeah, Q's are on support. If you guys look at the 2-minute EWO indicators on TradingView, Q's on support. Apple bounced on support, and NVIDIA's on support. So this looks like a bounce level. Because everybody's seeing this on the 2-minute 2-minute EWO indicators, TradingView.
Okay.
Yep, looking at it now.
Yes, coach.
Coach, this
Still
is very
heavy
much
though.
like it. This is very much like it made in January of 2023 in January when you helped a man make 3 times his money by 10 after 10.
Yeah, absolutely.
Tesla.
Here goes Spy. Here's that pull. This was the retest. Look at my stop level. See my
Yeah,
stop
and
level?
Tesla is flushing.
See the stop level with the retest? Look it's on the screen. I drew this perfectly out for you. Everybody see this?
Yep.
Look at that.
Break to 500 minute. We're good.
AMD second ready. WO.
It's the move. If you watched this trade that I exactly drew out to the penny, you're now making money. Am I right?
Always.
Yes. Yeah, look at this. Does this get any clearer?
The SPY puts are up over 3x from when you started talking this morning.
Nice job. Look at this.
Coach,
Yes.
just as there was just one place where you can hear.
Appreciate you, Dave. Thank you. But and this is though people are like, oh, but it's so expensive. Come on, stop. You guys can get a basic membership for $200. By the way, this move right here, that's a $10,000 move. 100 contracts, right? Or if it was 10 contracts, this would have paid easily for your entire membership. One trade in under 10 seconds, done. Profits and losses are, all right, they're still pouring in. Is DT the female trucker in here? DT, do we have you in here? Nope. We got Arlo in here, though.
Actually, Paula has stepped up. She's becoming really good at it, Coach.
Oh, Paula, are you in here? That's a no.
Coach Paula's watching her grandbabies.
Coach, I'm in here. I'm babysitting. I'm trading. I'm green, paper trading.
Oh, gotcha. Paula, will you...
I had your back, Paula.
What was that? I didn't catch it.
Do you want to read over the profits and loss today?
Yeah, I'll try maybe a little bit of a kid noise in the background, but I'll keep it as low, as quick as possible. That's fine.
Yeah, that's okay. That's all right.
All right.
We're used to it. We got Ted and Nana in here, right?
Yeah, she's got like music background, and she's got a positivity that.
Oh wow!
Tell you what.
Wow.
He set the bar, but Paula's getting.
DT better look out. We're splitting time. We're sharing time now.
Yeah.
I like it.
All right. Good thing. Apple is killing it, man.
Yeah.
We're green.
Yes. Nice job. Let's go ahead, and it's 10:30. Let's take a pause for the cause just in case. So let's go ahead. If you don't mind, we'll have you read over the P&L now. Everybody make sure to post. Put your information in there now, and we'll go ahead and start reading them off now if now's a good time. If you get interrupted, you need to take care of one of the little babies over there, don't you worry. Just let us know. No worries.
All right, Coach, give me a moment. I mean, give people a few minutes. Just let me put the profit in there, okay?
Yeah, no worries. Everybody post in over there if you would, please. I see him coming in now. That's great. Look at all these pouring in. Puddin', nice. Nice job over there, Puddin'. Nice.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, that's great.
It's puddin'-tang, ain't it?
It's Puddin' Pops.
Puddin'-tang.
Ask me again, and I'll tell you the same.
Dang.
Dang, just showing your age.
Uh-oh. All right, now listen, one more. We got one VIP lifetime membership available. Moderators, you want to help, because if I don't sell it, you guys are going to sell it in the after hour. So get to selling it. Sell the metal, moderators. Get it out of there. Flush that queue. Sell that. Mark, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
Yeah, I got a question. I bought December 24, 510 SPY call earlier last week, and it seems like I'm 242 days out, and it fluctuates like if it was the day's acceleration.
Yeah.
But when it went to 512 this morning, I was still in the red. Is that contract? Did I do something wrong buying this quarterly contract, or is it just SPY being SPY?
Well, I mean, it's only it really depends. It depended on your delta. It depended on the implied volatility when you bought it. I mean, there's so many
Well, I mean,
factors.
that's why I went,
Yeah.
250 days out.
Yep.
Even like that Tesla, when I talked to you a couple months ago,
Yep.
I done lost 15,000 so far this year on Tesla, and I bought them 6 months out, a year out. I got one. I can't get it to come up, but I paid $70 for it. Now it's worth like 15.
Yeah, Tesla's been hammered for so long. Let me look.
See, I bought a $260 Tesla call. It goes out January 25th January 17th, 2025. I got 259 days left. I paid $70 for it. It's only $11 what it's worth right now.
Yeah, that's.
Should I just go ahead and cash it out, or would it ever come back?
Well, I mean, there's no way of knowing that. If you're holding these long terms, you guys should be dollar cost averaging in on the dips or just getting out of them. But if you look at this, I mean, this is why we talk about this every single day, right? Look at this. So
I know it. That's why I bought them like a year out to give it a little time. I remember last year you always said, keep your hands off the mouse and let it work. So I done it. Then
that's only that's only for 2-minute EWOs though, right, partner? That's not leaps.
I didn't realize it at the time. I would just take it in what you were saying.
Right.
I've been with you since the beginning. I've been a member since 2022, I think.
Right. Yeah. And you guys all know I would have never told you to hold on to a losing trade ever.
Well, that's why I buy a year out to give a little time to fluctuate.
Right. But you're saying it went from 70 to 11. You've let this go to almost zero, partner.
Oh, I know.
Yeah.
That's what I'm wondering.
I got you. All right, here. So you're supposed to have my profits calculator. We're going to do this together right now. Let me flip my screen. Hold on. This is a long call. This is for Tesla. This is what you're supposed to do, right, partner? This is what I train you on. What is the option? You said it was January 5th.
January 17th.
All right, I'm looking you up. I got it. What's the strike price?
260.
260 right here. And you paid 70?
Yep.
How many contracts?
1.
Oh, okay. Okay, everybody see this? Let's calculate. This is what it looks like, partner. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, but I can't figure out how to read that chart. I don't know exactly
what
y'all looking at and how to read it.
Well, here. You guys ready for a master class?
Go.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Oh, yeah.
All right, here we go.
Go forward, folks.
So you can see right here, partner, as of today at $295, if Tesla was at $295, you'd be break even. If you waited until September, you've lost $1,420. You see this?
Yeah.
If you waited longer, November, now you're minus $2,377. So if you look at this chart, this is your time chart. I'm going to go out farther. 180. Yeah, 183.30 is fine. So what this is telling me, for you to even get back even, let's say by August, this stock has to be at $310 for you to break even by August 18th. See it?
Yeah, 310. I doubt if it'd make that. So I would be better off just cashing out what I got right now than when
Well, I cannot give you financial, tax, or investment advice, but all I can tell you guys is when you buy these contracts, first thing we do is we go to this options profits calculator, right? And we need to look at exactly what the time frame is, how long we have left to determine what the value is. Does that make sense, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So, and this will help you, partner, going forward when you buy these contracts to identify how long this is, working. How long ago did you buy this? Because I called Tesla all the way up to 300. Then I called it. So I called 104 to the way up.
it was around in October, November.
October, November. Let me look.
I can't remember exactly. I know it was one or two of them months because the price was darn near 260. I might have bought it when it was like 250, 240. I can't rightly remember, but it was always bad right at the money, one in or one out.
I got you. So let's look at this. So this is October to November. Everybody see it? And then it bounced back up again, December, exactly the same spot. And then it never recovered. Does everybody see this?
Yes, Coach. Yes, sir.
So again, when you guys are buying this stuff, we need to pay attention to what the market is doing, right? And Tesla, I've been calling, I don't know how this got missed, but I have been saying every time when it gets to somewhere where I think it's a good level, where I say it's going to go next, I tell you guys when it's trending up. I'd been telling you guys when it's been trending down. So yeah, let's not just buy stuff and hold it for life in hoping that it goes in your way. All right, partner? That's dangerous.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Coach, just to jump in because I made that same mistake buying like longer term out, and you still have to manage it on a daily basis, have stops what you're comfortable losing. And I did the same thing. I didn't do that. I was just like, oh, longer term, it's got to go up, and then looked back and had lost a lot of money and sold out. So you still have to actively manage the trade, even if it's out a year.
That's correct. Yeah, you absolutely have to look at it. Just because you have a year, all the year is buying you is time, right? So you're getting less time decay on a daily basis, but you still don't want to be a losing trade. You never want to be in a losing trade, right? So anyways, so sorry to hear about.
Sorry to bother you, but SGBX is flying like crazy.
Yep, I see it. Hot style. Oh my.
I don't know. I've tried. I didn't want to bother you. It's like,
No, you're all right.
constantly.
You're all right. This morning in the pre-market, this is the one I called out and said this had massive potential because it was such a low float, high volume stock. I called this out for VIP members this morning at 8:15, and now look at it. It's up 175%. If you were a VIP member, you got this information. It paid for your whole year. Congratulations. Merry Christmas. Happy Hanukkah. All the things. Am I right?
100%.
Yes, Coach. Thank you.
Yep. Look at that.
Yes, sir, Bob.
That's crazy. I love it. And if you look at where we've got marked, it was 436. We were watching for the high. Break for sure was at 463.28. I've got it marked right here where we were good to go. And if you look at it, soon as it broke this level, never came back. VIP members got that early. Again, I have one VIP lifetime membership left. One. Take it. Josh, you got your hand up. Go.
Hey, good morning, Coach. I just wanted to comment and maybe give some input to the gentleman who's holding that Tesla Leap.
Leaps, yeah.
Yeah, did he have one contract or multiple?
Just one.
Just one. I was going to put some input. Since he has time, he can go out for a strike price that's a little bit further.
Yeah, roll
but
it
get
out.
2 or 3, 4. Well, not further, but like instead of one out the money, you could get maybe 2 or 3 kicks out the money.
Yep.
But get multiple. That way, he doesn't have to. If you only have one contract,
yep,
you have to time it perfectly. Whereas if you have multiple, rounds in the clip,
yeah,
you have more time to.
Well,
more opportunities to shed.
And honestly, a better situation for me on that, if you don't mind investing a little bit more and waiting a little bit longer. And I know I tell you guys to never average in on your losers, but that is not the exception on long term. Am I right? I tell you all the time to average in on long-term investments. This is a long-term investment. If you bought another one right now, one is at 70 and the other is at 11, your average is going to be about $40. So you've immediately cut that thing in half, which means you have a better opportunity to make money. As long as you still like Tesla, you still have a lot of time left. But does that make sense, everybody?
Makes total sense. It's just like upstairs. Hey, Coach.
Yes.
Apple is in the first 2-minute EWO candle. It looks really positive.
You beat me to it, Ted.
Thank you. Yeah, nice call outs. Good job.
Careful with the 184.82 resistance right there above VWAP, guys.
Got it. Got it.
Yeah, I was gonna say that's where it found resistance before. So
Yep. So again, those of you that are holding long, right? Those of you, that's it. Last lifetime membership sold. That's it. Doors closed. By the way, when we're holding long like that, and I always tell you guys 10, 50, right? 5, 10, or 15% pullbacks I add in, right?
And what else do you do, Coach?
I always add in. That's how I dollar cost average into it.
How do you hedge?
Oh yeah. Well, this is a little different though, because these are just lower priced leaps. So I don't necessarily have to buy puts on them. If I was buying shares, it would have been covered calls and then buying puts. But I don't necessarily it's such a low price that I don't necessarily have to drop puts to go along with these, because otherwise we're creating a strangle. And and that's not really what his intention was. So I always do with shares though, just because the intrinsic value is always the same. It's always held up, right? And it should bounce back at some point. But I don't typically do that on call options, because then I'm creating a strangle, right? Or if I'm doing a straddle. So those I do a little bit differently. Yep. Okay, congratulations to Edward. Edward, congratulations on grabbing the last VIP lifetime membership. Nice job. Nice. Javon says, I'll buy the lifetime for $2,500 and pay the rest in the future. Well, gladly pay you Tuesday for a hamburger today. No, but Javon.
I know, right?
But Javon, you can get the VIP for $2,500 for the year and start training. Get you on that training path right now. Work your way up to that lifetime. Might be a decent idea. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. Not financial, tax, or investment advice.
Wink, wink, nudge, nudge.
That's right. Okay, it's 10:43, so it's getting long in the tooth. I'm actually going to start wrapping up right now. But, Ted, do you want to take over the VIP Gold breakout room for when I leave?
Sure.
Awesome. Thank you, man. Great job, by the way, on the earnings and everything. You're just kicking butt.
No problem. One of these days, it might be great to have a breakout session with Eric Smoto doing a spy run.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
He did it the other day, Coach, and it was fantastic.
Yeah.
And it'd be a great VIP Gold
I like that
session.
Yeah. If I can get Eric's Moto around here, we would love to have you in a VIP Gold breakout room for Spy. That would be awesome.
Absolutely, Coach.
Yay! There it is. That's awesome. I summoned him.
Hey, Eric, you want to come into the breakout room with us?
Sure.
Yay!
Absolutely.
VIP Gold members, you guys are in for a treat. We got 2 moderators that are going to be in that room. Make sure you guys check it out.
Echo 2-4 Moto on approach.
There it is. Look out. Eric's Moto coming in hot. Very nice. The VIP Gold room is now created. If you guys, again, want to get your VIP Gold membership, buy now. It'll give you immediate access, and then you'll see the VIP Gold Zoom. You guys can jump in there right now. So as soon as I leave, we'll get in there. So do me a favor. The other moderators that are staying in a regular Zoom, do me a favor. You guys read off the profits and loss. That would be great. I'm going to take off, though. It is getting late. It's almost 11 now. Love your faces. Regulator, 2 hands are up. Go ahead, Regulator.
Coach, I just wanted to say thank you. Before I joined American Dream Trading, I thought I knew a little bit. I knew absolutely zero. And even right now, I probably have only learned 2% of what you've taught. So I have to stay in here and keep going. But man, these things you have showed us. I mean, just today I made $3,300 in 5 minutes of trading. And it's just amazing. I can't believe that I waited so long on TikTok watching you to join VIP Gold, and I appreciate it, man. Thank you for everything.
Yeah, thank you for being here, man. And just don't give it back, right? Just keep trading well, put in those stops, keep getting better. You know, use that journal, but you're kicking ass. I love to hear it. Great job, Regulator. Greg, you got your hand up. Yeah, great job. Greg, go ahead. You got your hand up. Go quick.
Hey, Coach, real quick. Thank you so much. This is my first week. I've learned more in 1 week than I have in 40 years of investing in Vanguard and things like that. So I appreciate you. But for your shoulder, I wanted to put you on to something. If you haven't heard of peptides, I had a torn my supinatus.
Yeah.
And within weeks, I seen improvement, and within a month, I was healed from a small tear. And if you haven't researched it, it's definitely worth it.
I'm going to do it today. You're the second person that's told me about that. I'm on it. Yep. Thank you. I appreciate that. And thank you for the vote of confidence too, by the way. 40 years of trading and learning quite a bit in here. I love hearing that. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Hey, I look forward to being a success story.
Absolutely. You know, it's funny. I talk about it all the time, but people think I'm just like selling a product. We have people in here with 40 and 50 years of experience that are learning in here, right? It's for everybody. It's from everybody with no experience to I have people in here that seriously worked on the stock market floor. All right. So Kim says, what's that product? Peptides. Not health advice, but check it out.
Hey, Coach, real quick. I used BPC 157.
That's the first one that popped up. Yep.
And TB 500 combined, and literally 6 months of pain was gone in weeks.
157, and what was the other one?
BPC 157.
Yep.
It's body protective compound, and then the other one was TB
500.
Tango Bravo 500.
Yep. Okay. Perfect. Yep. I'm
Yes,
on
sir.
it. I'm on it. Thank you, man. I appreciate that.
Can you put that in chat, please?
No, we cannot, because that's could be a health thing. So, but it is peptides BPC 157 and TB 500. That's just a discussion we're having about different types of medicines out there. This is not health advice for anyone.
And I am no doctor.
Yeah, since I'm on
I'm
the
a
air,
testimony.
right? Yeah, since I'm on the air, everybody's.
But I did say a Holiday Inn last night.
Yeah. DJ Vinny, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
Yeah, is that class for your members too, or just the VIP Gold?
Which one?
That breakout room that you're doing.
The breakout room is for VIP Gold only. We have to dedicate, special people for the room, and that's what they're going to do. Yep. Thank you. Thank you. All you regular members that have paid, you guys are still getting all of it, all the way through to market close, as always. All right. That's going to do it. Joanne, go ahead. Last hand.
Coach, I just want to say thank you. I joined your lifetime in December of 2022 for $500. I just switched over to VIP 3 weeks ago after quitting my bartending job, and it was the best decision I've ever made for my family.
Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Appreciate you being here too. I said, hey, you guys remember me telling you? I told you bartenders are extremely smart. Does everybody remember me saying that? Joanne knows what's up. That's awesome.
Oh yeah, they are. They hear everything.
Yeah, yep, they are. Right.
We do.
Nice job. Thank you, Joanne. I appreciate the support and being here. Absolutely love your face.
Love you too, Coach.
All right, you guys. Okay. Thank you again to all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Carter, Don, Paul at the beach, Miranda, unhappily a housewife, Eric's Moto, who's going to be over there in VIP Gold here in just a minute. DT the female trucker, Luke Sidewalker, Jimmy Brady, David, Mark, Nate, Ted, and Mark McC. And of course, always, hold on, I want to run over my dog. She's laying literally under my feet. Hold on. Hold on, I got to spin around without running over my little puppy dog. Can you get any closer? Can you be any closer to me? Thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. We appreciate you every day here at American Dream Trading. Of course, thank you to all of our first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me, all my truck drivers around the world. There it is. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach. Have a great day, man.
Absolutely. All right, you guys, I'm out of here. You guys have an amazing week. I hope you learned something, or I hope you made money, or both would be awesome. Thank you guys, though. It really has been another great week. I am always excited, grateful, and humbled to be here. You guys are absolutely awesome. So again, thank you for allowing me to live my American dream. I'm out. See you guys.
Thank you, Coach.
You got
Appreciate
it.
it.
Catch you on the moon tower.
Absolutely.
Hey, back for homework.
Hey, Coach. Yes. I'm summoning Eric Smoto.
What was the discussion on the earnings stuff?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you. That's awesome. Thank you, guys. Eric's Moto.
No. Yeah, Eric Smoto needs to go into the VIP gold room. I don't think he knows that. He might think that it's just a breakout room here.
Gotcha. Eric's Moto, go to the VIP gold Zoom room, partner. That's where they're at.
Sounds good, Coach.
All right, partner. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. You guys all have an amazing weekend. Love your faces.
To you, Coach.
Echo 24 Moto, Echo 24 Moto, you're summoned on the gold pad on 334.
Caddy shot, Coach.
Thank you, Coach.
Rock.